Are you feeling tired, sluggish, melancholy? Well, I got 6 ways you can improve that. And it's very simple, and you can help do this for yourself. This is all for you, and you can do it, and you can make this change happen. Where you're not sleepy all the time, or you're not tired or bored. Hello and welcome to My Retired Life. Today I am in Casa Grande at Dave White Park, and behind me is the basketball courts. Nice park. I'll do a video of this someday, maybe, or a walk around and talk. But right now, this is good. Believe it or not, the first one is nutrition. Yeah, your health. It's in all my videos and I keep stating it. I can't state it over enough. Your health is more important than your money. I'm starting to take care of my health a lot better, and I'm feeling much better. I've lost 8 pounds, and nutrition is part of it. You're not sluggish. You're not tired. Look after yourself. If you're overweight, get out and exercise, but make the goals attainable. In my weight loss, my goals are 5 pounds at a time. And I've got a number in mind where I want to be, and my body will tell me if that number is good. And I've lost 8 pounds, so I've already made one goal. I'm on my way to the next one. 2 more pounds and I made that next goal. And that's just eating better, not eating junk and going for walks. That's all I've done. Because I want to get down to a number where I can start exercising again and start building some muscle mass. Because retirement's a long haul and you got to take care of yourself every day. So number 1 is nutrition and looking after your health. Number 2, laziness or too much downtime. Don't be lazy. Get up and do something. My watch reminds me if I'm sitting for an hour, get off your ass and go move somewhere and walk. You got to be able to move. Even if it's to go to the counter and back, you got to keep those joints moving. You know, or to the bathroom and back. At our age, right? I got to go to the bathroom again. If you've been drinking a lot. Once those floodgates are open, you go to the bathroom a lot. But get up and move. You got to move. Walk to the back door. Walk to the car. Do something. If you're bored, go wash your car. Even if it's not dirty. Take the car for a drive. To the park. Walk around the lake once. It doesn't have to be a long walk. But you got to keep movement. You got to stop being bored. Boredom leads to watching TV, eating Cheetos and popcorn and sodas for most people. You got to mentally put it in your head. I got to keep moving. I got to keep doing this. And I got to keep looking after myself. Stop eating junk. I've stopped eating junk 2 months ago. I'm 8 pounds down. But don't get me wrong. I've had a muffin and a piece of chocolate cake with meals before, or ice cream. Smaller portions and not as often. That will help you not feel tired all the time. Third reason, you're not getting enough sleep. And I was one for this. I used to only sleep about 4-5 hours tops through the night. Now, and I don't go to bed any earlier, I just get up a little later. I still go to bed between 11 and 12, but I don't get up till 7 now. And when I get up, I feel so refreshed. So refreshed. So get more sleep at night. Good quality sleep. If your mattress on your bed is giving you a sore back, replace it. If your pillows are giving you a sore neck, which I used to get all the time, I changed it to a pillow. We had a little round sausage pillow. It was a display pillow, really. And I laid down one afternoon just to take a nap, and I put it under my neck. And I woke up, there was nothing, no pain. So now I use this little display sausage pillow. We put a case on it, a pillowcase on it, and I use it, and I haven't had a neck problem since. So pillows and mattresses do affect your sleep patterns. So check that out. I'm not saying go buy one. If that's not a problem, don't worry about it. But they do affect it. So make a routine to get that 7 to 9 hours every day, every night. And try and set it into a routine. My wife, she goes to bed a little earlier. or she has a pre-nap on the couch with the dog sitting there. So, but she gets her sleep, and she gets more like 9 hours than I do. I get 7.5, and I'm thrilled, and I wake up refreshed. So sleep is a very important aspect to not feeling tired during the day. Another reason you might be getting tired during the day or sluggish or lazy is you don't have routines. And I know retirement is supposed to be about freedom. But routines keep you going. Us, we have our routine in the morning. We get up, we feed the dogs, let them out for pee first, of course, have our coffee, check our emails, check what's going on in the world. Dogs are napping while we're doing that, while we're having our coffee. And then we take the dogs for a walk. Or we have breakfast, then take the dogs for a walk. But that's kind of a routine. Get that routine where it's not overwhelming. It's a good routine. You get some exercise in there. But don't make the routine so strict that you cannot, on a whim, do something else. You have to keep that freedom. That's why you retired. You got freedom. You left structure at work. You left 9 to 5 or whatever shifts you were doing or whatever work you were doing. But structure, a little bit of structure helps. It's not a built-in, I got to be here at this time, I got to do that at that time. Build loose structures, I guess is a better way to put it. Be flexible. Another reason you might be tired is you have underlying conditions, health conditions. Go see a doctor. Get those all straightened out. Figure out how you have to get better. I've always seen the doctor on a yearly physical, and they said, you should lose some weight. And I said, Doc, I feel good. But I'm taking the doc's advice now. I'm 65. I'm not going to be as pig-headed as I usually am. Or opinionated, like, I know more than you, Doc. I don't. So I see my doctor. So I don't have any underlying conditions other than to lose some weight. So that's the type of thing that will make you feel sluggish. But I shouldn't be napping in the afternoon, and now I don't. Almost 10 pounds down, and I don't nap in the afternoon. I go all day. I'm pretty proud of that. And the last one, where you might be sluggish or lazy during the day or tired, is you might be on some medications. Read the side effects of your medications. As you get older, you're on more medications. Those medications, some of the side effects are you're going to feel tired. Talk to your doctor. But medications, some of them will tire you out. They will just drain you. And if you can get off those, get off those. And if it means going and exercising, losing a few pounds, then that's what it should be. And it won't happen overnight. It's going to take you a while. It's taken me 2 months to lose 8 pounds. So it'll take you a while. You got to keep with it, and you got to put it in your head that this is what you want. And it will happen. If you want it to happen and you put it in your head, it'll happen. Just like a smoker, when he wants to quit, and that's the only time they can, is when they really want to, it'll happen. Put it in your head that you're going to get better and make small steps to achieve the goal. So those are the 6 ways that you can be feeling tired all day or in the afternoon or most of the day. So take care of yourself, and we'll call this, oh no, before we call this one done, check out this video or this video, and now we can call this